On the U.S. Supreme Court this week, between today's ruling on the Affordable Care Act and, of course, the coming ruling on same-sex marriage, a lot on the shoulders of the 9 justices. Curt Benson from Cooley Law joining us now to talk about these cases. Curt, we got that decision on the Affordable Care Act today. I assume John Roberts is going to be invited to the holiday party at the White House.
The president needs to send him a Christmas turkey, I think, yeah.
He was pivotal again in what a lot of pundits are saying, he bailing out Obamacare one more time. What do you make of his opinion in this case?
You know, this is really an interesting divide between conservatives and liberals. And by that, I don't mean politically conservative, politically liberal. I just mean how does a judge approach a statute? The reality is, it's like a 1,600-page statute. Congress makes mistakes. This is not uncommon. If we had a functioning Congress, they simply would have passed corrective legislation, amended it, fixed the problem. But they can't because they're paralyzed. So it ends up before the court. And the question is, does the court fix the problem? Does the court say, okay, look, what you wrote was subsidies only apply if you get your insurance through state exchanges. We can't rewrite that to save you, Congress. You're going to have to fix it. That's the conservative view, small c. On the other hand, the more liberal justices will say, look, our job is to effectuate legislative intent. We need to say this is what Congress intended. You need to look at all 1,600 pages. And when you look at the entire structure of the statute, as Justice Roberts called it, the interlocking structures of the statute, clearly they intended the subsidies to apply to both state exchanges and federal exchanges, therefore will interpret it consistent with the overall intent of Congress. Very interesting and not uncommon problem that judges are confronted with.
Sure. Same-sex still looming out there, could come tomorrow, could come Monday. What are we looking for? It won't be, do you think it's going to be a much closer vote, I guess? Today's was 6-3. You're going to look for a little closer vote?
I do. I think the smart money is on 5-4 with Justice Kennedy writing the decision. Justice Kennedy is a Reagan appointee. He really is conservative on economic matters, but has shown throughout his career on the court a sort of a libertarian view towards same-sex marriages. He's the one who authored the famous Lawrence versus Texas, which struck down as unconstitutional some sodomy laws that would have made homosexual activity a felony. He's been very friendly, I guess, towards the same-sex couples, and so most people expect he'll write it. Join the liberal justices, 5-4 decision. Last day of the term, they'll issue it and get out of town.
They got it. All right. We'll be waiting. That's for sure. Curt Benson with Cooley Law. Thanks for coming in tonight.
You're very welcome. Thank you.